Hey everyone, Jim here. What's going on? Welcome to Grassroots Piano. Last week I had so much fun creating a video with rolling chords. I'm going to add on to that. However, if you didn't check out that video, you might need to, because the first patterns I'm just going to review from last week's lesson, and the first lesson I go significantly slower. So don't get mad at me if I'm going too fast. I just want to warm up with those patterns. So here's the A minor. We have ascending first, broken, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, to the E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, to the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, into the D, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Get that down, you're jamming on it, you can play it at different tempos, that will set you up for success. The next one is the same thing, but descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, to the G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's really important to warm up with something that's simple too. It gets everything moving. And also I have a little power tip here for warming up, slow and soft to get the blood flowing. You don't want to overwork your muscles, especially you don't want to start off cold right away. All right, so the last pattern from last week's lesson is a bit trickier, and it's one chord per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yes, I remembered it. However, we want to have that A minor on beats 1 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go. The new pattern for the week. There's 3 really. What I'm going to do is just demonstrate it at a faster tempo so you can get an idea, and then I'll break it down with some learning tips. Here I go. 1, 2. All right, so added a little bit at the end there, which I'll talk about. What we're going to do is talk about the left hand. We're going to make the left hand easier first. So we're going to have root, 5th, octave like we've been doing, but it's just going to go up. So the count goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor, 2, 3. I'm using the pedal too. To the G, pedal up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, into the D. 4, 5, 6. Get that down really well. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to go slow, and we're just going to play an A minor together, alone. So we have that first part together, E, and then the right hand. So the whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many notes line up? We have the first right and left together. There's only one. The right hand is 1 on the upbeat, and that's after 2. If I count it out and geek it out for everybody, it goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So get that down, even go slower. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So that right hand lines up with the A, echoes off the E, and then back to the A, into this A. Same idea to E minor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me jam on E minor for a little bit, and then I'll go to G. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. To the G. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And give yourself a bit of time, practice that a day or so, and then come back to it and go a little faster. If you're playing fast and sloppy, it's not worth your time. Slow it down. Let's go to the next pattern, which I like. I'll demonstrate it first. It's kind of a long, short, long. Some learners might find this one easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Ba, 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 2. All right, and then later on I can add on to that rhythm, but I'm trying to keep it simple for now, meaning I'm just doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pattern 2 sounds like this slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, if you're liking this video, please hit the like button because I am close to YouTube monetization. It might not mean much, but it is to me. 4,000 hours of watch time is what we need within 12 months, and I'm getting so close. If you hit that like button, that could reach other awesome learners. So that would be kind and generous of you. That's all I'm asking for. That's it. So what we're going to do now, we have pattern 1, which I'm just going to refresh, and then pattern 2. And then you want to spend time jamming on it. We're going to take pattern 1 and 2 and mix it up a little bit. And I'll give an example. So pattern 1, we're going back slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I've been really busy, so my slow is still too fast. However, when I get to pattern 3, it's kind of a celebration. If you've jammed on pattern 1 and 2, when you get to pattern 3, you can mix it up. So here's some advice. Pattern 3, I'm going to take the first bar from pattern 1, and then second bar, I'm adding pattern 2. So I'll just demonstrate it slower and see what you think. Here I go. So see the importance of getting each pattern down well. So what I basically did is I took that rhythm that pops out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I did that long, short, long, and I added that in there. And you can just jam on that first. That is a total thing to do, this to get that pattern down and mix it up. The next point I want to make, when you get this down, really start listening to the hands. Is there a part where the left hand speaks out by itself, where you could add a little more strength in the left hand? All right, I'm going to demonstrate pattern 3, not just with the combination of pattern 1 and 2, but now add in some dynamics. And spending the time creating something that you like and then getting it down is a very motivating thing to do, but you need to stay honest. If you're not in the pocket, slow it down. If you need to play out of time to get the chords, that is okay. But don't play fast and flashy, but you can't tap your foot to it. It's not helpful for anyone. So here I go, pattern 3 with a little dynamic influence. 1. And then that was a simple thing I just did, is I doubled the rhythm on the left and the right hand. And then if you really want to be impressive, after you do that, little maybe fermata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can add in a little fermata and then try up an octave. It'll sound beautiful. Here I go. All right, please leave a comment below if this video is helpful for you. I am very busy, but I wanted to get this content out to you, so I apologize if I went too fast at times, but I'm more than happy to clarify my instruction because I'm here for you and I want to provide value for all of you. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye for now.